Hey guys, my name is Olga and welcome back to my diary. Today is gonna be all about my hair growth journey and different styles I've made so far. My hair was 2 months old here, and this is the final result of this particular hair. And see, this particular hairstyle, I've always been longing to have this type of hairstyle, but my hair was so short at that time, so I waited for like 4 months because this hair here was like 4 months, 3 months plus at that point. So I waited and I tried it out, and it wasn't that bad, I would say. So you just wait and see the final look of this hair. But yes, throughout the process of braiding, I enjoyed it. It was a bit tussle for me, but I still enjoyed it because I knew actually what I wanted, and I knew that I could do it. But it's just the time for me to wait for the hair to grow a bit more. But yes, either ways, it came out nice. Trust me, it really came out nice. For the beads, I was just playing around it. The front beads that I added, I was just playing around it. But finally, finally it came out nice. So you see this particular hair, this hair took me whooping 2 days. It took me a whole lot of time, 2 good days. Yes, but that was exactly what I wanted, because I actually wanted very tiny hair, and I went for it. But did I regret it? No, I didn't, because it came out nice. Because I didn't have work, it was actually during my holiday period, so no work for me. I was like, okay, instead of me to just waste a holiday, short 1 week, why not use it and be useful? Make your new hair, watch movies, read some books, and you'll be fine. And that was exactly what I did. I just was very patient with it, picked it tiny, and boom, it came out very nice. And mind you, this hair growth was I think 6 months plus at that time, because I was actually monitoring my hair growth. And almost see the final results. See the final results. Don't you like it? So this was my most recent hairstyle, though I've already loosened it some weeks ago. Currently, my hair growth is a year and 1 month and some weeks old, almost a year and 2 months old. But let's forget about it now. Let's concentrate on the hairstyle. It took me like 9 hours to complete, and boom, this is the final look. So tell me how you see it. I'll be posting more of this hair, journey, hair thinking on my channel. All right, so tell me what you think, the next hairstyle you'd like me to make, and if you would like me to show the process, I'll be willing to show it all right? So thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel, please. Don't forget to do that, and also click on the post notification bell so that anytime I drop short clips like this, or maybe any of my videos, be the first among the first sets that will get notified. Thank you.